Got scammed in crypto? What I'm about to show you might completely change how you think about it, because your money might not be as gone as you think. Most people panic when their crypto disappears. They freeze. They assume it's over. But here's the truth. Crypto leaves a trail. Let me break it down. Blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum are public ledgers. That means every single transaction is recorded permanently and visibly. So if you've been scammed, here's where you start. Grab your transaction ID or wallet address. On blockchain.com for Bitcoin or Etherscan for Ethereum, you can literally see every transfer, every timestamp, every wallet involved. It's all there. And this is where it gets powerful, because once you can trace it, you can start building a case. Screenshots, transaction logs, wallet links. This isn't guesswork anymore, it's evidence. But here's what most people still don't realize. Tracing alone isn't enough. You need experts who know how to act on that data. That's where Clone Tech Monitor comes in. They use advanced blockchain intelligence, forensic tracking tools, and proven recovery strategies. They don't guess, they investigate, they act fast. Important, time is critical. The sooner you detect and trace the scam, the higher your chances of recovery. So don't freeze, don't wait. Gather your transaction evidence. Document everything. Act immediately. If you've been scammed, don't let it end there. Contact Clone Tech Monitor today and start your recovery process now. And if this opened your eyes, like, share, and follow for more real crypto protection tips.
Get the clarity you deserve. Take control today.